Hi everyone. Windows 11 is packed with features that can help you save time and increase productivity. Whether you're multitasking or simplifying everyday tasks, these tips will make your experience smoother. Let's explore 10 ways you can speed up your workflow on Windows 11. First, use keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are the fastest way to get things done. Instead of navigating menus, press a key combination to perform actions instantly. Some must-know shortcuts include Windows+D, minimize everything and go to the desktop. Windows+E, open File Explorer. Windows+L, lock your PC. Alt+Tab, switch between open windows. Ctrl+Shift+Esc, open Task Manager. Second, pin apps to the taskbar. Keep your most used apps just a click away by pinning them to the taskbar. To do this, press Windows+S, search for the app, right-click it, and choose Pin to Taskbar. You can also launch pinned apps using Windows+ app number. For example, press Windows+2 to open the second app on your taskbar. Third, use snap layouts. Snap layouts help you multitask by organizing multiple windows on your screen. Hover over the Maximize button on an open app and choose a layout. Fill the layout with other apps, and you're ready to work efficiently. Fourth, enable Clipboard History. Clipboard. History allows you to save and access multiple copied items. Enable it by going to First, got to Settings and click System. Next, open Clipboard and turning on Clipboard History. Press Windows+V to view and select from your clipboard's stored items. Fifth, turn on Focus Mode. Focus Mode eliminates distractions by silencing notifications and hiding taskbar alerts. First, open Settings and click the System. Next, click Focus, configure your options, and click Start Focus Session. Use this feature to stay productive during work or study sessions. Sixth, use virtual desktops. Create separate desktops for different tasks, like work and personal activities. Click the Task View button on the taskbar, or press Windows+Tab, then select New Desktop. Switch between desktops using the same shortcut. Seventh, schedule Windows Update restart times. Avoid interruptions by scheduling when your PC restarts for updates. Go to Settings and click Windows Update. Next, click Advanced Options, select Active Hours, and specify your preferred time frame. Windows will automatically restart outside those hours. Eighth, use widgets. Widgets provide quick access to news, weather, calendar events, and more. Press Windows+W or click the widgets icon to access the panel. Add or customize widgets by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Ninth, customize the Action Center access Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other settings instantly using the Action Center. Press Windows A to open it. Click the pencil icon to add or remove quick settings, tailoring the panel to your needs. 10th, use dictation to type. Let your PC type for you by using the built-in dictation feature. Click into a text field, press Windows+H, and start speaking. Windows will convert your speech into text, saving you time when typing long documents. Windows 11 offers a range of features to help you work smarter, not harder. With these 10 tips, you'll streamline your tasks and enjoy a more productive PC experience.